Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today's April the 9th, 2021. We're going to give you all a price prediction in Clover Health Investments. The ticker symbol is CLOV. We're going to give you all our expectations as to where we're looking for the price to go. And then on top of that, we're going to give you all the play-by-play as to how the market is going to get there. So if today's your first time ever viewing our content and you all appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification, because in all actuality, you need to tap that bell because you do not want to miss out on our forecasts and our price predictions within the stock market. So real quick, I want to give you all the option plays that we got ongoing on our Thinkorswim platform. We got two of them. We bought a put option for Rite Aid with 21 days till expiration, and then we bought a call option for Sealed Air with 42 days left till expiration. And as you all can tell right here in our profit and loss column, we're down $199. Right now, I've already looked at the price chart for those stocks just to see how we are ranking in terms of where we're still headed. And in Rite Aid's case, yeah, I can still see the market giving us weakness. Currently, we're still seeing weakness here into the market in Rite Aid. So yeah, even though we have less days than our Sealed Air call option, we got 21 days left, 3 weeks. We are still going to continue to watch the market here. So we're not going to alter or get out our position in our Rite Aid put option. And then here, this is Sealed Air. We have 42 days left, and the market barely even moves in Sealed Air. You guys can see we're very tight and compacted over the last 2 weeks. So we still have time. So nothing here needs to be changed in our Thinkorswim platform in terms of whether or not we need to close these out and just take the loss and move on to the next play. That is not being seen as of this moment. Okay, so now let's go take a look at CLOV and give you all a price prediction into the market as to what we're seeing. You guys can tell yesterday was a fantastic day into the market in CLOV. You can see the volume came through as well as the spread. Like, we haven't seen this much volume in CLOV since, let me show you, let me draw this line and show you, at least never. So yesterday was a very climactic day in terms of volume. We came close, right here on February the 4th and on February the 5th, but it wasn't higher than what we've seen yesterday. So what happened? Definitely market participants appeared. You cannot get this much volume. I don't care what anyone tells you. You cannot get this much volume without large institutions participating until these massive hedge funds who have billions of dollars at their disposal to play within the market. You cannot get that just by regular retail people. So they're showing their hand. The trap is showing precisely what is going on into the market for this stock, just by the volume alone. Okay, so now obviously you can tell that this stock is a SPAC. How do I know? Well, when this market first started trading, it was trading around $10, and every SPAC, when it first launches at $10, right? So that was the current value of this stock, was $10. That was the baseline price when it first started trading on the exchange. Since then, we broke $10. So what is the actual value of this SPAC then? We are in a downtrend into the market in Clover. All right. A pretty good downtrend. The question is, based on the volume yesterday, did we break that downtrend in CLOV? Right? You see that? Did we break that downtrend into the market in CLOV? Let me see. No, not yet. It all depends on where you draw your particular lines. We're close. We're pretty close to see the market in CLOV break that overall trend. So right now, I'm just going to hold the market as trending sideways, not breaking the trend yet. Okay. So I have two areas. This is the first area of restriction in the market in CLOV, right there around $9. Now, based off the volume, based off the spread yesterday, I don't think that that's going to be a problem into the market of CLOV going higher and breaking above. I really don't. So the next area though will be down here towards $9.87, maybe even $10, back at the starting point to where this first SPAC started to launch, when it first launched. Okay. And based off the volume, we can definitely see the market in CLOV hit that area. So let's look at this on a 45-minute chart. And this is where all the hedge funds or the major institutions came in and participated in CLOV. Now, what happened on that last 45-minute price bar lets me know that there is still restriction here in the market and CLOV. So yeah, initially we could see the market go back down, right? Now in that situation, the market would have to come in and hold $8.34, $8.25 as support in order for it to try again to break up and go towards $9.87 or $10, right? We have to see that happen. It has to hold no lower than $8.25. Okay. So let me look at this on the 4-hour chart, and the spread definitely came through. So yeah, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in CLOV. But initially, we will see the market try to dip lower in price. Okay, so let's do this real quick. We said $8.25 as support. Okay, we got our price area that we're looking around $9.90 and around $10. Might be a little bit lower. So I'm gonna do around $9.70, give or take, right there. All right, so we're in position to look for the market to continue to give us some higher price movement. Initially, yeah, we can see the market come all the way back down to our support area, which we won't be scared or nervous because we can actually expect that. But if the market breaks $8 to the downside, then yeah, the market is less likely to continue to push forward and try to test price at around $9.90 or even $10. That is what we're seeing. So we're simply here to give you all this stock, which is ready to explode maybe about 12% to hit that $10 area. But we're just going to reduce it back down to around $9.70, get about 9.25% profitability in price movement. All right, so this is our price prediction. This is what we're seeing into the market in CLOV. I definitely want to know what you've seen on the price chart in the market in CLOV. So drop a comment in the comment section and tell me what is your price prediction in the next 3 weeks. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.